Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to use this Miele washing machine descaler to keep your washing machine running smoothly. Now you're going to want to do this about from anything from like once to 3 times a year, depending basically on how hard your water is and how dirty your washing machine gets. But it's really quite simple. What we're going to do is, so the tube comes, you're going to empty the entire tube into the drum of the washing machine, and then close the door. And if you're Miele, it might have like a maintenance wash or something like that. If we want to do that, we can go ahead and do that. If not, what we're going to do is we're just going to go to cotton. And then from cotton, we're just going to select the hottest temperature. And by doing that, that's going to get all it's citric acid that's in the powder that's going to clean out the washing machine. Let it do its cycle. You'll see it'll get pretty foamy in there. And then once it's done, then what you want to do is just open the washing machine and just leave it open, leave the door slightly open for a little while, let it dry out in there, and you'll be good to go. And check the link in the pinned comment to find where to buy this descaler.